From the snow-capped peaks of towering mountains to the verdant depths of ancient forests, rivers are the lifeblood of our planet. They sustain a dazzling array of life and nourish the very soul of humanity. Yet, while some flow with a clarity that mirrors the heavens above, others bear the heavy burden of our modern world. In this exploration, we embark on a journey to witness the stark realities of two contrasting fates, the world's cleanest and most polluted rivers. From the shimmering turquoise waters teeming with life to the murky depths choked by pollution, we'll uncover the delicate balance between humanity and nature and the profound impact we have on these vital arteries of our planet. Prepare to be astonished by the shocking differences that unfold before your eyes, a testament to both the resilience of nature and the consequences of our actions. Our journey begins with a tale of remarkable transformation. The River Thames, flowing through the heart of London, was once a byword for industrial waste and pollution. Its waters, choked with sewage and industrial effluent, were declared biologically dead. But from the depths of despair, a remarkable recovery began. Decades of dedicated conservation efforts, strict regulations, and innovative cleanup technologies have breathed new life into the Thames. Today it stands as a shining example of how even the most polluted waterways can be brought back from the brink. Fish have returned, and with them, a vibrant ecosystem is flourishing once more. The Thames's resurrection is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of collective action when we work in harmony with nature. Nestled amidst the dramatic canyons and emerald forests of Montenegro, the Tara River flows with a clarity that seems almost unreal. Its waters, a dazzling turquoise hue, cascade over ancient limestone, carving a path through one of Europe's last unspoiled wildernesses. Fed by pure mountain springs and protected within the Dermator National Park, the Tara remains a sanctuary for a rich tapestry of life. Otters play along its banks, while rare birds of prey soar overhead. The Tara River stands as a beacon of hope, a reminder of the pristine beauty that still graces our planet. It is a testament to the importance of preserving such natural wonders for generations to come. Winding its way through the breathtaking karst mountains of southern China, the Li River captivates with its ethereal beauty. Towering limestone peaks, shrouded in mist, rise dramatically from its emerald waters, creating a landscape that seems plucked from a Chinese ink painting. For centuries, the Li River has inspired poets, painters, and travelers alike. Its clear waters reflect the lush bamboo forests that line its banks, while traditional fishing boats glide peacefully across its surface. But even in this paradise, the delicate balance of nature is threatened. Rapid development and increasing tourism pose challenges to the river's pristine ecosystem. However, ongoing conservation efforts strive to protect its beauty, ensuring that the Li River continues to inspire awe for generations to come. Our journey takes us now to a river facing a very different reality. The Citarum River in Indonesia, once a source of life and sustenance, now bears the grim title of one of the most polluted rivers on Earth. Decades of unchecked industrial waste and plastic pollution have transformed the Citarum into a toxic cocktail of chemicals and debris. Its once clear waters now flow black and choked with garbage, a stark reminder of the devastating impact of human activity. The consequences for the communities living along the Citarum are dire. Access to clean water is scarce, disease is rampant, and the very livelihoods that once depended on the river are now threatened. The Citarum's plight is a stark reminder of the urgent need for sustainable practices and responsible waste management. Flowing from the Himalayas to the Bay of Bengal, the Ganges River holds a place of profound spiritual significance for over 1 billion people in India. For Hindus, it is a sacred river, its waters believed to cleanse sins and offer salvation. Yet the Ganges is also one of the most polluted rivers in the world, its sacred waters burdened by a toxic mix of sewage, industrial waste, and religious offerings. Millions bathe in the Ganges daily, seeking spiritual purification, but the river's pollution poses a significant threat to human health. Despite the challenges, efforts are underway to clean up the Ganges. Government initiatives alongside community-led projects aim to reduce pollution and restore the river's health. The task is monumental, but the hope remains that the Ganges can once again flow as a symbol of both faith and ecological well-being. Flowing alongside the Yamuna River in India, one of the tributaries of the sacred Ganges, is a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of unchecked pollution. Once revered for its beauty and life-giving waters, the Yamuna now carries the dubious distinction of being one of the most polluted rivers in the world. The river's plight is a tragic tale of neglect and apathy. Industrial effluent, untreated sewage, and agricultural runoff flow unchecked into its waters, transforming it into a toxic sludge. The stench of pollution hangs heavy in the air, a constant reminder of the river's dire state. The consequences for the millions who depend on the Yamuna are catastrophic. Waterborne diseases are rampant, and the river's ecosystem is on the verge of collapse. The Yamuna's plight is a stark reminder of the urgent need for responsible environmental stewardship and the high cost of our indifference. Our journey along these contrasting waterways has revealed a stark reality. While some rivers flow with a purity that speaks to the power of nature's resilience, others bear the heavy scars of human impact. The difference between the cleanest and most polluted is a reflection of our choices and the legacy we leave for future generations. The fate of our rivers, these vital arteries of our planet, lies in our hands. By supporting river conservation efforts, advocating for responsible waste management, and promoting sustainable practices, we can help turn the tide against pollution. Let the stories of these rivers serve as a powerful reminder that the choices we make today will determine the health of our planet for generations to come. It's time to act, to protect these precious waterways and ensure a future where clean, flowing rivers are not the exception but the rule.